Welcome to our channel, we are the Ant team.
And this is the Ant, our project.
A compact PCB Maker CNC machine.
We use the Ant to make all the working phases to create single and double-sided circuits.
Our goal is to make PCB at home using the Ant.
In the simplest and most affordable way.
This is an example of PCB we created using the Ant. This is Arcobaleno, a fully functional MicroPython development board. If you want to know about this project, check out our videos that are organized in 3 playlists.
The playlist Build the Ant CNC to see how to build and update the Ant machine.
The Ant way, to learn how to use it and the basic operations.
And the Ant Lab, that describes the project we created with the Ant. The channel is mainly focused on the Ant project.
But from the Ant, other small projects may be developed.
Like this small laser cutter that we call Caterpillar. Volevamo annunciare a tutti i nostri amici italiani che nel 2020 partirà il nostro canale in italiano, 2 makers asociali.
O forse è già partito.
Controllate su YouTube.
Al centro ci sarà sempre l'elettronica, con progetti, tutorial, recensioni e un po' tutto quello che ci verrà in mente.
Iscrivetevi! So, if you like what we are doing, please consider subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
And enjoy!